meaning to do a job that I've been wanting to do for a few weeks now. It's been raining so much. I've got streaky windscreen wipers. So, to give you an example, I don't know if you can see, but if I use the washer here, look, super streaky up here. Just one of those annoying things. So, I've been out. I've got a set of these. I'm going to change them. Last time I changed the wipers was, I think it was something like May, June 2021. It's been a while, no wonder. First thing you want to do when you're changing your wipers is put the wipers into service mode, just like that. If you want to see how to do that, I've got a video of hidden tips on the Golf. Take a look. Also, I'll show you at the end of this video how to put your wipers in service mode. Once you've done that, it makes the job a heck of a lot simpler because you can move everything around a lot more easily. You can get to all the little bits and pieces. These are the little clips we need to attack in a minute. Okay, let's get the wipers. So these wipers, I like to get the Bosch Aero Twins. I've had these, I don't know, a good 3 or 4 sets now. And I tend to go for these. And if you look on the back, you've got all your makes: VW, Golf, Mk7, April 13 onwards. That's just a ticket for me. Okay, once you've got your wipers in service mode, so much easier to work with. You just need to get out your new ones. Notice they're 2 different lengths there. So you just want to make sure that you put the right ones on the right arm, basically. And a great tip from Doug Smith, he commented on my video with the hidden features of the Golf, is use a rear car mat on the windscreen, because when you take the wiper off, you're left with basically a bare piece of glass. This arm can just smash down into if you're not careful and crack your windscreen. So this little button here is how you get it out of the arm. There's a little hole here that sits in the sleeve and pops into here to stop the wiper coming out when you're using them. Okay, so you want to push that in and then it'll slide out like so. That's that one done. Same with this one. Push in the little button here, give it a tug, out it pops. Then I have the Bosch logo facing upwards. Slide it in like so, just make sure it's located nicely. Same with this one, there's a little hole, there's a little button that you need to get in there. Just slide it in, it should go in nice and smoothly. It can be a bit of a struggle. One of those things you do every few years. And if you don't do it all the time, as you can see, it can be a bit of a fiddle. So we want to just line that up and then slide it in, and then once you get it past the first bit, it should just slot in like so, and it can't come out. Then put the other ones away in the box, and then we'll just give it a go with the washers now. Check it's all working all right. Okay, let's start the car up. lovely and clear. I promised to show you how to put the wipers in service mode so that you can do this job easily. It's also really handy just when you're cleaning the car. All you need to do is flick the engine on and off, and then bounce the wiper stalk down, and there you go. When you start the car, they'll just reset themselves. Nice sunny day for it as well. No doubt they'll come into use very soon. So as you can see, changing windscreen wipers is not the biggest job in the world. It's not the most difficult job, just a bit fiddly. If you can do it yourself, it doesn't cost much, just a set of wipers. There's plenty of different makes out there. You just got to make sure you get the right wiper blade on the right arm, and just make sure you protect your windscreen. If you're not sure of your new windscreens, and you don't really want to pay the excess anyway, just make sure you protect your windscreen so that if that metal arm comes crashing down, it doesn't crack your screen while you're changing things over, especially if you're not used to doing it. I only do it every few years anyway, so I'm not exactly an expert, but it's something to watch out for. So much better, so much clearer. If you didn't know how to put your windscreen wipers in service mode, I hope finding that little nugget of information out was useful. So much quieter your wipers as well, forget. So it looks like I'm behind a tractor or something, so I'll sign out now. Thanks for watching, and if this video was useful, drop me a like, it would be much appreciated. Until the next one.